Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today in our lesson we will learn about basics of geometry. Dear students, in this lesson we will discuss point, line, line segment, ray, parallel lines and intersecting lines. Now we will discuss these one by one. Point. A point in geometry refers to a location. It is shown as a dot. It has no length, no width and no depth. A point is always denoted by capital letter. Yes, dear students, always we will denote it with capital letters. Like in this figure, 4 points are given. Okay, and we can say that in this figure we have point A, B, C and D. Now line. A point, a line is a set of points placed together in a special way. It has two arrowheads on both sides. Okay, dear students, a line is given and you can see that here we have two arrowheads on both sides. Arrowheads means that we can extend it from both sides. The length of line is not fixed. Okay, here we have line AB. Okay, when we want to write it symbolically, we will write it like this. AB with a symbol of line above it. Okay. And we will read it as line AB. Dear students, we have learned that line is a set of points. Okay. Now let's see that what happen if we have 3 points on a line. Any 2 points on a line can be used to name it, such as line A, B. This means that whenever we have 3 points on a line, so we can name the given line like line AB, line CB, line BC, line CA, line AC and line BA. Now we will move to the next definition, that is ray. A ray has one endpoint and an arrowhead on the other side. Okay. Now, dear students, you can see that ray is given and we have one endpoint. This means point A is fixed. We cannot extend its length from point A. And you can see that we have arrowhead on the other side. That is at point B we have arrowhead. This means that we can extend this ray from side or from point B. Now, dear students, we have different types of rays. This means that the dimension of ray is not fixed. It may be vertical or horizontal. And we will read it as ray A, B from end point. Okay, we will start from end point, that is ray A, B. And symbolically, we will write it AB with the sign of ray. Now, dear students, line segment. A line segment is the shortest distance between 2 points. It has two end points. Okay. Now, line segment is given. Okay. Here we have line segment LM and you can see that we have no arrowhead on both sides. Okay. This means that its length is fixed. We can write it symbolically as LM or ML. Okay. We will read it as line segment LM. Now we will move to the next definition, that is intersecting lines. Yes, now let's see. When two lines meet at one point, these are called intersecting lines. Dear students, we have two lines like line AB and line CD. These two lines have one point where they meet. Yes, these two lines meet at point O. Okay. When two lines meet at one point, we can say that the given lines are intersecting lines and the point of intersection is O. Now, dear students, parallel lines. Two lines that are at same distance or that can never meet or intersect each other are called parallel lines. Okay. Now, we have two lines like line A, B and line C, D. Okay. Yes, these are two lines, and dear students, you can see that these two lines have same distance, and it is clear that these two lines never meet or intersect each other, okay, when we move it or when we extend its length. We will read these as line AB parallel to line CD, and when we want to write it symbolically, we will write it line AB with the sign of parallel of line CD. Now, dear students, let's see perpendicular lines. Okay. When two intersecting lines make a right angle at a point of intersection, then these are called perpendicular lines. Okay. Now, dear students, we have two lines like line AB and line CD. You can see that we have point of intersection P. Okay. Now, let's see. Yes, here you can see that angle APC is equal to 90 degrees, or you can say that APC make a right angle. So we can say that AB or the line AB is perpendicular to line CD. Okay. Symbolically, we will write it AB with the sign of perpendicular line like this with line CD. Now, dear students, this is the end of our today's lesson. Thank you so much and have a nice day ahead.